Dividing mixed numbers. So when it comes to dividing mixed numbers, generally speaking, I find students find it a lot easier when they change both of them into improper fractions. So 1 7/8 as an improper fraction, we would go 1 times 8 plus 7, which would give me 15/8. And then 1 1/4, so 1 times 4 plus 1 is going to give me 5/4. Similarly to dividing regular fractions, you can either at this point make a common denominator, or you can change the second fraction by flipping it into its reciprocal form and multiplying. That's generally the method that students tend to prefer, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 15/8, and we're going to multiply it by 4/5. Like we've been doing previously, if you're able to reduce things, go for it. It'll make your life a little bit easier, so you're not going to have to reduce at the end. So if I'm looking at 5 and 15, a common factor here would be 5. So my 5 is going to become a 1, and my 15 is going to become a 3. My 8 and my 4, well, a common factor here is going to be 4. So this is going to become a 1, and this is going to become a 2. So once I've done that, I just need to do my multiplication as I would normally. So 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. And then it has 3 halves. We're not going to leave it as an improper fraction. We are going to change it back into its mixed number form. So it's going to give me 1 1/2. If you weren't going to reduce like I did there, you're going to end up with 60/40, which is essentially the same thing. You're just going to have to do more reducing at the end. And that is how you go about dividing mixed numbers.